Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. I have a Jollychic haul. Recently I purchased quite a lot of products during Black Friday sale, so I wanted to do a haul video. It is not going to be one big long video. I'm gonna separate it in different parts because I have quite a lot of products to show you. It's clothing, makeup, accessories, few things for Christmas. So I'll do a separate, maybe part 1, part 2. I'm actually not sure how I'll do it, but it will be different video because I don't want a very long video. Not all people are interested in long video, and I don't think even the people who are subscribed to my channel watch the whole video. I can see you all watch only just few minutes of the video, that's all. So I don't want to bore you people with such long kind of videos. If you will be interested in long videos, then I will do it. So before starting the video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And guys, it is free. You can subscribe to my channel, go follow me on Instagram. I do a lot of tutorials there, so go there, support me. The link is there in the description below. And yeah, I keep on giving updates about different things on Instagram, so if you want to know those updates, you can follow me there. And yeah, today is going to be a Jollychic haul, and it is not a big haul, it is just a small haul. I wanted few basic things which I need for my organization of makeup. So yeah, let's just start the video and I'll tell you all the price and details of all the things. So I have my order list here. First, going on to phone cases, I got this case for my hubby. He already has one of these, and he actually liked it a lot, so I got one more of that. So this was originally for 73 dirhams and I got it for 14 dirhams during Black Friday sale. So this is the case. And actually guys, I'm not sure whether this is focusing or not focusing because I was using my laptop as my monitor, and now I have purchased a monitor for monitor purpose. So I actually don't know because I can't control things on the monitor. I don't have a remote yet, so if things are out of focus, I'm really sorry about that. I have to play more with it, but deal with me for a few days. So this is the case. It is a nice rubbery consistency. It is a rice rubber case. It is not a hard case, it is a soft case, and it has this ring to hold. So I got it for 14 dirhams. It was quite cheap. Then I got one more case. He got it for himself. This is more, I just wish this was not actually paint kind of thing. It was actually leather, but it kind of looks cheap. This doesn't look nice. It actually looked really nice on the Jollychic app. It has many colors, but he went for this color, and this was originally for 34 dirhams and I got it for 22 dirhams. And this is also a soft case. It is not hard, so don't scratch your cell phone. Then for me, I just got one case because there are not a lot of cases which has pop socket, and I want something with pop socket. And these are actually really nice. They are very soft. This was originally for $45. They had two types. They have many types, but I got this one. I have also this one, which is from Jollychic. This I had already hauled in my earlier Jollychic video. Even this was for very cheap, so I got this one. Very beautiful oceany kind of thing, and it is also soft case, and it also has a pop socket. So I wanted something with pop socket so that it is easy for me to take photos or talk on Instagram. So I got this one. I got two fake leaves because I wanted something for photographs, for laying product shots. I have not done any product shots yet, but soon from 2020 I want to do product shots, and I wanted something in general for photographs. So I got two type of leaves. So I got these leaves. These were originally for 15 dirhams and I got it for 8 dirhams. So I got two of this. This is more of palm leaves, not exactly palm leaves, but coconut leaves, but the quality is actually not that good. It is very plasticky. I hope it looks good in photos, but I got two of these. As you can see, this is the only plant that I have in my house, and it is artificial, but I wanted something more of a this type of leaf, but I didn't get it. So I wanted something like this in general for photographs, so I got two of that. Then I got this one. Then this one was for 12 dirhams and I got it for 7 dirhams. I don't know what kind of leaf is this, but it looks pretty good. So this actually looks nice. It looks real. It is not very plasticky, and it has different shades of green in it, so it looks nice. And then I got this beanie. They had a lot of shades, I think 5 or 7 colors in this, but I wanted something with red because I want to click a lot of pictures for Christmas season, for holiday season. So I wanted something red, and it had these pom-poms, so it was actually very cheap. It was for 52 dirhams and I got it for 26 dirhams, so that was a good deal. And on Jollychic you get coupons. Whenever there is discount, they always give you a discount coupon code, so you can add that and you can get it from much more cheaper price, so that is good. But the only problem is the Jollychic point thing is not actually good. I don't like that you can't use all the points all together. When they will give you a coupon, you can only use that time. I actually don't like that. Other than that, things are good. Then I got this cap. This also I got for photo shoot and in general to wear during winter season. It is not that cold in Dubai, in UAE, but still I wanted to buy one. So this one was 78 dirhams and I got it for 38 dirhams. So this is how it looks, and this also had many different colors, but I wanted something red in general. Then lastly, two more products from Jollychic and actually we are done. So these two things I had already purchased earlier also. I had got 4 or 2 of each, but it already got full, so I wanted more and it was on offer, so I got that. First of all, I got the makeup storage box. This has different compartments, so you can store your individual blushes, bronzers. This was very cheap. It was for 63 dirhams and I got it for 26. But here now the price is 26, but actually I got it for 19 dirhams, so it was a good deal. So I got two of this because as I'm making videos, as I'm purchasing new makeup, I need more things to store all this. So I like this because you can store individual things and not just throw it in a bin and you can't see what all products you have. So this is how the storage looks. It has different compartments. It has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. You have 8 compartments in there, and you can store, if it is thin you can store two of each, or I think you can store twos in each compartment. So I think it is good. I already have I think 4 of it and I got 2 more, so yeah, good deal in it. And I think even on Amazon, I think on Amazon it was pretty pricey, so, and in stores it is not of good quality, so I always get these from Jollychic, so it is good. Then I got two things, two storage things for lip products. Then I got these lipstick holders. I got 2 of these. I already have 2 of that and I got 2 more. I have few other bins also for lipsticks. I had, as in earlier videos you must have seen, I had showed you the IKEA bin, but I wanted something the holders for my high-end lipsticks because the packaging is good and I don't want to ruin the packaging of the lipstick just throwing it in a bin. So these are mostly for my high-end lipsticks, so I got 2 of that. And the price of this one, I got it for 37 dirhams, and originally actually this was for 37 dirhams. It was not on sale, but I think 37 dirhams is also a good price because it is of a very very good quality. It is not the cheap ones which you find in any random stores. I think this is of a very very good quality, and I think you can find these if you are in US. I think you can find it in the container stores, or US has so many good shops TJ Maxx, Target, Walmart. You have so many stores, so I think you can find it easily. And even Amazon has great products. I actually don't like the products from UAE Amazon, because it is not properly as Amazon. It is still, they have still very cheap products, and I actually don't like those things, and I don't order anything now actually from the Souk or Amazon UAE. I'm not interested. So guys, actually this was all from Jollychic Haul. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up. There are more hauls coming, Black Friday hauls. And the in this month I won't be doing a lot of review videos, because I want to do more of creative videos for Christmas, for holiday season, because it is Christmas season, and I couldn't do anything for Halloween. So for Christmas I want to do a lot of stuffs, and this is my first time that I am actually doing a Christmas tree. I'm not a Christian, I'm not Catholic, I am Muslim, but it's not like if you're Muslim you can't have a Christmas tree. It is just for my happiness. I wanted a Christmas tree all the time. Maybe because I am from a convent school, I have been in convent schools for my entire school life, so that is why maybe. And I don't have any problem. My husband doesn't have any problem. He actually recorded for me. So yeah, I'm actually gonna set up this week and it will be up. I actually thought of doing vlog type, but I'm actually not sure if I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna show you on Instagram maybe, and what all I got from where, and maybe I'll do a vlog style video of that. Yeah guys, if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and I'll meet you soon in my next video. Bye.